Hi guys, Red here and redrocks8. Today we're going to be doing Try Not to Laugh, so you can join in as well. Oh wow, that looks painful. That dog looks like he's enjoying himself.
Yeah, that's actually kind of funny. Well, no, really, because I'm not laughing.
Yeah. Oh, I lost! No. 1.3. Yeah, that dog's gonna get sick.
Yeah? Was that?
Hey, is that dog being out for Pepsi Max? Okay. Is a cat drinking water really that funny? Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that's
Why is this dog listening into these people's conversations? Why does he look like freaked out?
I want to laugh.
This is just a normal door. Psych.
That's not funny.
Okay, what's going on here? Oh my gosh, what's that dog doing? Bouncing. But he's flipping all over the place. He's gonna fall, isn't he? He's gonna fall. Oh well. Okay, phew, finally that's done. I know. Ugh, I'm so tired. Oh, are you recording that? Sorry guys, I'm not posting next week. Remember to like, subscribe, and see you all next time.
Finally. The voice thing? Or for myself. Wait, am I recording? Oops.